Hello guys, this is part 3 of unboxing this. Have you already seen this, right? So, this is the other one. This is the door, as you can see, and is decorated with Elsa sticker. And so I'm gonna open it. As you see guys, it's a bedroom with Kuromi and my Melody. And this is their stuff all around here. As you can see, it folds, and this is the living room, but it's not that long, so it's only gonna come here. This is their book. Okay, so part 4 for the unboxing, my mom's gift for me. Bye bye.